Welcome to BA Pro. In this video, we will learn what is while command and how to use this in Selenium IDE. Let's take an example. We need to verify in a blog spot whether the year links are present for 2013 to 2019 or not. So this is our sample blog spot. So here you can see the links are present from 2013 to 16. After that there is 2024. Mean to say that we only have four links present and there are three links are not there. So 2013 to 16 we have links and 17, 18, 19 we don't have links. Let's create a script to verify that using a while command. Go to extensions, click the Selenium IDE there. Here we are taking a new project, create a new project, give some name. So here we are verifying control flows. Let's start writing. So first we need to open the blogspot. So I'm opening the blogspot. So what is the target URL? Let's copy and paste that. After opening the URL, we need to store the starting year, that is 2013. For that one, instead of store command, I am using execute script here. So execute script that should return a value. The value is 2013 and I am storing that in a variable called year. So the first one, and next here we start using the while command. So the while command till what year we need to verify? So till 2019, right? So I'm taking the variable and comparing that with less than or equal to 2019. Mean to say it's kind of loops till 2019, 2013 to 2019, the loop will continue. So in that loop, what I need to do, so first let me verify what is that value available in the variable. So value in here variable is dollar. Here I'm using the echo command here to verify the details, just to print out the details. Next, we need to verify the element here. So we will be using verify element present command. So what we need to verify, whether the link text is available or not. So link text equal to dollar in brackets, it's year, floor basis year. So that we are verifying. So after that, we need to increment the year. So for that one, I am using execute script. So this should return a value. What value it should return? It should increment the year and return that value. So it's dollar floor braces year complete. And next that should return +1 and that should return 2 year. So here we are increasing the year value from 2013 to 14 like that. So that's the last step and we need to end the while loop here. So this is our script. So we have our script ready. Let me just rename. Here we are using while. So I'm using the test case name as while. So let me rename that. So let's execute the script. We have all the data ready. So for that one, let me just make it a little bit slower so that we can see what is happening step by step. So let's execute it. So it will ask the base URL. So let me paste the blogspot URL one more time. So here you can see it started executing. So first step, second step executed, third step while started. So the first number is 2013 year. So it started verifying that 2000 year 13 link present or not. Yeah, that's there. And later it incremented the value 2014. Now it is verifying 2014 link present or not. It's also there. Next started verifying 2015. Do we have the link? Yes, 15 is also there. So next started 16 verification. 16 also present, but you can see the 17 link is not there. So it failed the verify. So next is 2018, the link not present. You can see it's a second failure. and next 2019 it should fail one more time. Yes, 19 is also failed. So here you can see there are three errors on this script. So script execution completed with three failures. So this is as expected, right? From 13 to 16, its link is present, so it's success. 17, 18, 19, we don't have the link, so it failed. So this is how we will be using while. So whenever we need to repeat the same steps for multiple times. This concludes control flow while command.